nitawafanya mtazua mimi kwa mai hapa inabaki gato tepata kipama jeri mcheze kweli ya huko down pengine simba na nitawa ai nitawafanya mtazua mimi kwa ai nitawafanya kwa ai nitawafanya kwa ai nitawafanya
mdogo huyu anakuja ni hiyo tu Santo Candies content sawa sawa. Now naomba sawa sawa, nataka mfanye hivi, kila mtu tuingie pale YouTube, tu search Kevo Shine. Niko wa kwanza pale na search Kevo Shine. Gospel yako ni secular, ngoma yako ni secular gospel. Ni secular. Yeah. Sawa sawa, Kevo Shine, that way. Kevo Shine. Guys, make sure meingia pale kwenye YouTube, search Kevo Shine. Naendelea kusearch mti yangu. Thank you for the song. I appreciate a lot.
Playing all the hits that your girlfriend wants to hear.
I need the next person pale kwenye stage. Kama niko na musician mwingine, tafadhali. Karibia. Instrumento zako shapeana. All right. Sasa eti
sikupanda nusifa taka klosi nilikulanga monista nitoa nikabaki kama na hang nikakasaramu nikabanika kasariga bati mini mani homa ni vitu kama zone niliyosomoni nilianloa mount kazimia nakumbuka mami vile tulifanya na rona kuweka na kuwaza nilikubali ni fake love bond nilifanya kila siku au jina kile za kijana leo za kijana bitch sitika by night pale TikTok mani to tani fuck wale niko wepa bani nikakoni basi nilikuwa nataka tende mama da fuck niko vile oli kama chima yale mai hapa nikashika kwa niko kuna amfi uje nikiwa naye launa jawa na niko sasa unasema mimi kama mbawa unipanga sisi hao ndo baja rafiki hao ndo baja rafiki Wow. Ukamsha mchomba
ya nataka upige
ngumu ni madawa ya
sense over.
Hiyo song hiyo Zuena hiyo kidogo tu. DJ guza hapo kitu ambayo inaitwa play. Finya tufinye DJ finya. Najua finya hiyo nini Zuena hiyo. Weka hiyo. Unajua nimekaa pale nikashindwa nimekuja matanga nini? Nikajua hii ndio sababu. Haya tukapata basi.
MC Dennis.
Hiyo ilikuwa beat. Sawa, DJ shikilia. Mimi kwa majina naitwa Dennis Mukua aka Man Like Marole Motige Mr. Orurare. Are you getting it? Mr. Orurare. Hiyo ndio jina yangu YouTube, ukienda pale. Mimi ni mtu wa Benga lakini nikakuja nikapika ati nini bro? Uko haraka kama mtu mwenye anaoga nje bwana. Nyasembo. Aweke Nyasembo. Sawa, tuko hapa kwa ajili ya talanta, si ndio? Sisi wote tuko na talanta. Tuko na talanta mbalimbali. Mrembo, uko na talanta gani? Ya kucheza ball. Wow. Unacheza namba?
Deep 6.
Sasa nimekuuliza. Shwali, avakisidu. Avakisidu. Huyu anacheza ball. Anacheza. Si eti anashika. Hajasema anashika ball. Amesema ana nini? Anacheza. Mrembo sasa?
Poa sana.
Tusikize huyu. Mrembo sasa?
Poa.
Uko na talanta gani?
Na kuimba.
Huyu ako na talanta ya kuimba. Huyu jamaa ameshindwa kufuga kuku, mbuzi, anafuga ndevu. Haina shida. Bro, uko na talanta gani?
Ya kufuga.
Huyu anafuga kila kitu. Anafika mpaka warembo Sawa. Sawa. Kaka, how are you?
Good.
You are friends of the town?
I'm okay.
Okay, sawa. Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Justo.
Unaitwa? Justin, uko na talanta gani?
Kucheza mpira.
Ya kucheza mpira. Wow. Kwa hivyo wachezaji wamefika wangapi? Aboy and okay. Tuko pamoja hapo? Sawa. Wewe ni kierere staki. Okay, uko na talanta gani?
Ya kutangaza mpira.
Okay. Just 30 seconds.
Asante sana mpenzi msikilizaji, ni mechi ya Shabana dhidi ya Gusii Stadium ama na Gusii FC katika uga wa Gusii Stadium. Wanakuja pale vijana wa Shabana, anao sasa ni Brian Mag kwake Michira anakuja na ngozi pale, hatari kwenye lango la timu ya Gusii, hatari go. Wow, angalia sini talent. Sikia hiyo sasa. Nilijua tu
Nilijua tu, I knew it. Brother, habari yako? Oi. Wewe hata sitakusumbua. Nisongee hivi kidogo tafadhali. Baba mbiyole. Sugaiga. Mbiyole baba. Ngakio koroko.
Kemundu.
Sasa mnaangalia nini tafadhali? Si msikiza sauti tu. Angalia maboys hapa sasa wameanza kugeuza vichwa. Si mtavunjika tu. Aya. Si alikuwa hapa. Okay. Unaitwa nani mrembo?
Kerubo.
Wewe ni Kerubo. Uko na jina moja kama mkate. Kerubo nani? Okay, uko na talanta gani mrembo?
Ya kukula.
Uko na talanta ya kukula? Alafu ni kabila gani?
Uya.
Kerubo inapatikana huko Western kweli. Anyway. Sawa. Kwa sababu tuko hapa kwa sababu ya talent. Talent ama talanta. Tunataka tufurahie. Si tumefurahia. That's what I wanted. Tafadhali at least tucheke kidogo kwa sababu hapa haujafusiwa kukuja hapa. Backbenchers. Habari zenu? Are we together? Are we kwenda na otora na motore pole. Tuko pamoja? Acha niulize. Unajua tukiacha wengine nje tutakosea. Mrembo ni fani wa Maniu. Goalkeeper wa Maniu. Sasa mnacheka mwae? Mnacheka wae? Goalkeeper wa Maniu ni? Digea. Oh. Anashika namba? Yamaza. Anashika namba? Anacheza namba ngapi?
1.
Sasa namba 1. Maniu. Chelsea. Arsenal.
Playing all the hits that your girlfriend.
Arsenal. Aya Liverpool. Maniu. Kumbe ni Maniu peke yake. Okay, Arsenal. Wacha tupige kura. Maniu, inua mkono juu. Watu wa Maniu wasema Maniu. Sawa. Wasenali. Okay, wa Chelsea. Sawa. Niwapatie ngoma moja. Wacha niwapatie ngoma moja ya Mr. Ururari. Manek Muremotike. By the way, mimi ni comedian, mimi ni msanii, mimi ni mwizi. Wewe wacha hiyo. Yo. Yengoko. Beke yengoko kose ya Susi Susana. Susi Susana kose yengoko. Susi Susana kose yengoko. Eyende nena changa sokinga. Aikwarenge. Hega kinga ikware baba. Aikwarenge. Hekero na gotagete. Hebono ni jotagete. Hekero na kabinyora. Eyende nena aratanga. Heti na kweba. Hebaba ngani ngwanjete. Heti na kweba. Okay. Sawa. Wacha niwaimbie hii moja tu. Alafu sasa ikifika niwaletee ingine. Aya ngoko mutagete. Kuja tu mrembo mmoja. Wewe kuja. Kuja tu. Kuja. Usiogope kuja. Come. Tafadhali kuja. Mimi sichukui. Tuna dansi alafu anarudi. Hapo. Tulia basi. Kuja mrembo please. Tai. Uroje bwana. Kuja tu mrembo. Kwa hiari tu. Pole aste. Mrembo kama by the way, huyu mrembo ni wanatumia kuwasha taa kwa nyumba. She's a very beautiful lady. Kuja akitingo toki wonzoki. Akitingo toki. Enjoy. Simchukui kuja tu mwenyewe ama nikukujie. Kuja tu. Kuja. Uwezi jua, you never know. Yes, mother, sir. Kuja tu. Ni mnyua meta ni mwato mokungu na bana iko mimi lakini bosi mbali bana. Kuja mama. Sawa. Mpigie makofi tafadhali akifu. Hapana, haijaenda. Aya. Weka tuta kidogo tafadhali hapo kwa hiyo muziki. Nasikia hakuna tuta. Okay, twende. Yes. I DJ. Tukuja na ingine ama turudie hiyo? Tuimbe na huyu, si ndio? MC. Ndenga yare. By the way,
yeah,
MC, this is a good thing that you have brought here. Microphone.
Yeah.
Kidogo tu. Microphone hii chanza si nini? Okay. Hawa watu wako poa. Sasa wamechangamka.
Yeah.
Ilikuwa nataka mmoja dance. Ndio utaona hii hao watu venye watasikia mzuri. Sio wao wana dance. Sisi ndio tunasumbuka. Wao wakifurahia. Haina shida.
Asu mutandao insemu ya YouTube ulikilieta Ndizi TV.
Download it when you need it. Those guys around Kisii and they don't understand Kisii vizuri. Okay, forex shops, for instance, Kisii. So tumeanza na Kisii because that's where we major, that's where we are. Soon we are moving to other counties and we are proud of that. So it's a mobile application that we started after realizing a gap in the society, and we're hoping for the best. So actually, we're coming back for more. And about the research club, we have some posters here if you want to join us so that we can be working on the projects inside the institution. We have some of the things that we learn, new skills in the club. We build confidence, earn awards, go on trips, and nurture your ideas. So if you're interested, you can join. And you can also download the application. Also for freshers around, you can just get any service that you need within Kisii. So that's all. We come back to show you how the application works on the projector. Yeah, thank you.
Right. DJ nipunguzia hapo kwa mic kidogo. All right. Thank you so much, Finder. Make sure, guys, you download the app. It's on the Play Store. We have no malicious activity on Play Store, so it's a legit app. Alafu pia kuna wale ambao walikuwa download app ya Worldcoin. Usiname, Steve yuko hapa. Make sure you get your 100 shilling from Steven. Steve Simple Boy, yeah? Yuko pale juu. So if at all umedownload your app na huja claim your 100 shilling, make sure umemuona. Aya, now I have before I start with the presentations, ninaomba kuna dance crew matata hapa. Wameniambia mzee, just give me 2 minutes mzee, tuonyeshe what we do. Now, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls. Kali sana. Thank you all. Mazee, hiyo ni kionjo ya what we are about to be having here on I Got Talent KMP mazee. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to go straight. To the performances. Mnaona vitu ambazo tumewaandalia. Hiyo ilikuwa inaitwa kutingiza minyoo kidogo. Now, kwa wale wanamuziki ambao mnajua mko kwa list, you are supposed to perform, right? Now this is your time. Get ready because I'm starting with Jotpat. Eddie Lawrence. Mahali popote ambapo ulipo. Make sure you're here. Alafu pia ambaye anamfuata ni kuna wasanii kadhaa pale kwenye lista. Lakini naanza na Josfat. So Josfat, wherever you are, I want you to come here on stage because we are starting with the artist. Wanamuziki hatari nakwambia, vijana ambao wamejiaminia kwenye sauti pale nakwambia, hatari man. Hatari. Now guys, I just have one question for you. Niko na swali moja. Mnanisikia? Hello? How you guys feeling? Mnafeel aje? Mko fiti? Are you ready for this? Talanta zenu umezieka ready kwa wale wamelala njaa, Steve yuko pale juu. Pata mia yako pale kwa Steve. Now, Josfat, are you ready? Teddy Lawrence, are you ready? Na wahitaji saidi DJ nipe mziki.
Again, Dalton, you better know. You don't know. Flemo ya kuna kutamani. You don't know. Nimekupenda toka zamani. Kama piano, nitakuchezea kama doremi. Na siuongo. Haya mapenzi ni ya juweni. Nabaki
sigete Botiti korunti bakase kete
Alright. As just we're ready, we start our performances. Ndizi TV. Kwa wale ambao tunasema sioni kitu fiti, nataka ni stream kidogo. Ndizi TV News Digital, tunapatikana Facebook, tuko live. Ndizi TV News YouTube, una search Ndizi TV News, tuko pale live right now. Alafu pia kwa wale ambao mko na watu nyumbani, waambie ingia Go TV channel 824 na Star Times channel 95. Password ya? Ingia password ya student bana. Unataka gani? Nini haifanyi? Niliconfirm inafanya na ministry. No, nitaulizia hiyo sahi. Sawa. Aya, now, Josephat, are you ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome our first performance from Josephat. Josephat, you are the one on stage. The stage is yours.
Manje kuno musacha kumbenore meane tamanye tinka kusigo supera pati kurunje meane oro baro musacha roncha rubabo kabayo mpancho nyanje tokoro mobango ndome nyane yabuko kuneto moyone mpancho te baba na moyone government yo konga sabe ekimu wano ke yagete sukunyuma itero kuimugete ebeki nyomano yete ombero mukabate ibuke omwano yete kokamuye jeuransake kweto ande yesebe kinesani kanuro baruande oroseye tigango kopeso moyone ombwatere omachamo nombe dingo keriye pasokere okwarugire kuangaserole ndagere tembejere yabokonde kunioboki 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 nikuashite biki nimeta mapesi umwana musafi ugotioka marashi togenje na ryosi torize basi koire na irobi orugere kasi kiango kubika kiakwe basi ogenze saruni ubeke bisi na ikuti moke netoretereme alafu isaneke tochuntigani mwana tinko bisa aene jota tebaki ukagueo musigeranya ubote chibesa tabuatya machanya nibete mbareo wabuatorobero ukuyaka auti baibuburu rabagenja bubonsi na bebi nyuru wabuatebieni muna chikororo bachibe naine bakuire ndolero baisego soka bakemio baisego soka bakemio
Jose. Hey! Kali sana, si ndio? Mngependa kuona hiyo tena, si ndio? Mngependa kuiona? Now, as we all do. Now, Jose, what you're going to do, the judges want your name, right? You start with the introduction, you tell them who you are, what you're doing, then you do your thing. Sawa. Now, yeah.
Real name, Josephat Kirage. Nasoma hapa hivi KNP. Lakini ukienda apart from real name, huko YouTube, Jose Cartel, ama usearch Silfadan and Date One. So, nafanya music, actually love songs. Na kuanga na msee wangu, tunaibanga na yeye, lakini hakumanage kufika hapa. Lakini, moja atafika. Sawa, hatujafanya video, due to insufficient fund. Lakini tukipata do, tutapika video. Sawa? Sawa.
Jose, what are you performing? Music. Sawa.
Katongwa babanje kuno musacha kumenore meane tamanye tikarusi kwa supera pati korunje meane orubaru musacha rugoncha rubabo kabayo mwachone
Nkwantonya njetokoro mubango Ndomenye mwane Nyabuko kuneto moyone Omoyone Nikwanchite baba na moyone Ekeli mumano kiyagete Sikunyo mechira yoko imugete Ebeki nyumwano yete Omobero mogimoka botete Ebuche yomwano menyete Kokwa muyire ncherura sakere Kwenyoranda ikesegete Tinesane kanoro baruruane Abaroseye Tigambo bakeso moyone Omwaterere Onganje monombe kendokeye Basokerere Okuwarugire kuwa nganserore Kagire nchembe chekale Nyabokone kunioboke 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 Ningwanchite beji nimeta mabesi Omwano musafi gotioka marashi Togende na rio sitori ne pasi Koire Nairobi orugere gas Chango kobeka chakule basi Ogende saruni obeke bisi Naitoti mobe nekore tereme Alafu isanedi Tocho ntigane omwana timpo bisa Rene nyota kibaki ukagwera Musike hanya obwate chivesa Tabwasi machali Nimete mbareo obwate orowero Ukuira kalauti Haibuburu Abagenge bulonsi Nabibi nyuru Obwate ebyeni Unachinkororo Mbachibenga ineba koire ndolero Baise gosoka Bake mioro Baise gosoka Bake mioro Nyabokone Kunioboke Nyabokone Kunioboke Nyabokone Kunioboke Nyabokone Kunioboke Tinesane kanoro baruruane Oroseye Tigango bakeso moyone Omwaterere Onganje monombe kendokeye Basokerere Ukwarugire kuwa nganserore Kagire nchembe chekale Nyabokone kunioboke Nyabokone kunioboke Nyabokone kunioboke Nyabokone kunioboke
Alright. Wapi makofi ya Jose? Wapi makofi ya Jose? Alright, pitia pale kwa judges. Ati Nyabokone kunioboke. Hatari Hatari sana. Sawa. Now I'm going to have Better B. Kuwa ready. Now the Clinton. Clinton is the one next on stage. Performing for us. Yeah. Kabisa. Now Clinton alafu anafuata na Better B. Now you guys, I want you to do this. Mkikuja hapa kwenye stage, just state your name, your official names, you're a student or whatever. Just say what you're doing. Hizo zingine ni za baadaye. Sawa? Alright. Introduce your name. Yeah. Alright. Haya. Clinton ashaingia alafu Better B.
Saseni. Simuongee sasa. Kwa majina naitwa Clinton. Mimi ni msanii. Msicheke. Ya naonekana kwa TV najua mwananiona. So before sijaanza nataka wasichana kaa 10. Madam 10 mnaweza jitolea. Kindly please. Madam kuja. Alright. Tumpe time yake. Just your name, face the judges, tell them your name and perform. Ninafanya ngoma nadai kufanya inaitwa ile type of girl. Najua siku hizi wasi wengi tunaingia kwa drugs juu ya mapenzi. Napata umepatiwa heartbreak, kutoa stress, unaamua tu kuanza kupiga madawa. So mimi nadai kuimba song yenye madem wote nishawaipatana na wao ndio nadai kupiga.
Alright. So,
Otori masiri kuna ile siri kuna ile na joy vitable clubs around the city kuna ile na village hapa kitu kaja dunga mimi kuna ile play hard together with cheddar you get what I mean kuna chaka wasichana wale wakwaya Ratumshila takamisa then alilizaya. Kuna ya bootshop jiski na verita. Kuna ile inatoka ocha inatoa poloto. Kuna ile introvert inadi mdretisa. Lafu kuna hit-up inasome fashion design. Kuna gold diggers wash gas kiza. Hawezi kusikiza kawe C6 figures. Kuna mademu wa kampo natapeleka au na so. Kuna utaka sura luku kona friend zone. Halafu kuna mopedi yes sura under strict. Halafu kuna uchenjia style in a way. Kuna mademu bokas mama zao kula bana. Kuna mashore bokas mama zao kula bana. Kuna mademu waligro kwa town
kifungu imevagao. Kuna drip trap hawezi sikiza Otile Brown.
Mama sita nataka unieke friend zone. If at all I'm doing your time. CJ did 3 years in the love. Shorty, then you break my heart.
CJ Bona, Kidonda.
CJ
Kapten nanipenda.
Kuna ile time akikuwa ni mabra wakili prebak utadhani akirwa na bra. Kuna wenye ma-connections zimefanya bla. Kuna magas lukumwa mabuku wako bla. Kuna mademo wenye ambisho ribale na hadwa. Na mashore la skin tag plastic surgery. Kuna madak skinny warembo kata spin. Kuna hit type of flat kwamba sombili online. Kuna mademo tutu hijua ni different class. Kama politician overseas ndani ya first class. Wengine dance style wengine na mabas. Kuna wale ulala bar ina meres the bar. Kuna wa sina tatu madriver matatu. Hii type kwa kula fair ni kama kuchana. Wengine ukula sana wengine ulala mchana. Kuna mademu choma ngoi hadi wanaziraya.
Mama sita nataka unieke friend zone. If at all know your time. CJ did 2 years in a row. Shorty broke my heart. CJ Bona Kidonda.
Alright.
CJ Kapten nanipenda.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Clinto. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring the third performer, Anajita Beta B. Are you ready for him? Mko ready? You guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Mko ready? Are you sure? Sawa. Beta B on stage.
Yeah. Beta B.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, what's up guys? My names are Beta B and Choco Official. Unaweza nipata kwa YouTube at Beta B, Facebook Beta B, Instagram Beta B, TikTok Beta B, and all social media platforms Beta B. I have a song now and I want to perform it now. DJ. Yeah. Beta B. Kanyore kainkane ikanka beke munezi nabo mereno ogandi gerenche karende. Kanyore kaikane ikanka beke munezi nabo mobere noyone ogandi gerenche karende. Noyone nakane aye baba aye noyone aye nyahuke aye mokane ningwa chiteti gaba kwane esirineri aye noyone bebe mbako ngai nayo gende atinje ningwa toyonde chande ngente engoro yane naye tagete munembe obabango kobwati mosacha ntaito mosubati bami nomba mbote sati bagerenje ndugute bati akanye rikane kabike munesiri nabo mobere noyo ogandi chekarende nyole kalikane tiganka bike munesiri nabo mobere noyo ogandi gerenje karende noyone nakane kongo mogoko mwanchione kwando stress ya somo tuone achaga kiogo morugione abaisia sekenyo banchaite pagonse kenchoke niko singo nduse bosoku nenjembe po ndubo kendu nipate jiko yaboke nte tenko Tobo yo nena nchembo yo gabagenki imaitero makuwa nembako genka ye babo gen tigabara wa manyenga ye no yo no barugo nena demo Kaye babo gende tigabara wa manyenga ye no yo barugo nande mukane makanyole karikane tiganka beke munesiri nabo mobere no yone mokanti gerenche karende nakanyole karikane tiganka beke munesiri nabo mobere no yone mokanti gerenche karende no yone nakane no yone nakane ako ngainayo gende atinche nimbo atoyonde chande gendere ngengente enkoro yane naye tagete munembe obabwango kubwati musachanta ito musubati bani koirese itobo yone na inchembo yo makanyolire karikane tiganka beke munesiri nabo mobere no yone mugantigere nchekarende no yone nakane.
Alright. Anajita Beta B. Alright. Beta B, thank you for the performance. Asante sana. Nime appreciate. Alright.
All the hits that your girlfriend wants to hear.
Thank you so much. Now I want to emphasize this on the performance. So wale ambao mtakuja hapa kuperform, make sure you face the camera, make sure you face the judges. Sawa. Alright? Ni sawa. Make sure you face the judges. Sawa. Now, next on stage, Wycliffe. Alafu pia Wycliffe on stage. DJ nipe ngoma azai prepare Wycliffe.
Wants to hear.
Voigo tonyore as Facebook Bunandizi TV News Aigano Ndizi TV News Obwansu Vuomugusi Soa asu mutandao ensemo ya YouTube ulikilieta Ndizi TV News Abuono konyora chibicha Siabaria baito Voigo tonyore as Facebook Bunandizi TV News Aigano Ndizi TV News Obwansu Vuomugusi Soa asu mutandao ensemo ya YouTube ulikilieta Ndizi TV News Abuono konyora chibicha Siabaria baito Ndizi TV Obwansu Vuomugusi Nigo bono ya nikirundekerene Nagokorendera chibicha chinkia Naboigo chinkeno nukukigima Nabogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi Neji kaunti chito etanaine Una kaunti ya
Wataka niseme vipi, jioni nikulete nini, nakupenda sio siri. Wataka niseme vipi, jioni nikulete nini, nakupenda sio siri. Shere, nakuombea kamema, baby. Nakuombea kamema, Shere, nakuombea kamema, baby. Nakuombea kamema. Leo sina chuki nawe, bado nakupenda naise, deli nakuita baby. Shere, mi mzima wa afya.
Kukumbea ulale salama pema, japo moyoni mwona banalo kumesema ningemwona Zuwena, japo ningemwona Zuwena, ndogo tungemwona Zuwena, ningemwona Zuwena, ningemwona Zuwena, Zuwena, ningemwona Zuwena. Anajita Jailo, anakula nisi kwa maganda, eti mzungu baba anakula ndizi kwa maganda.
All right, nice. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Counting days is my love lost on me. 'Cause every breath that I've been taking since you left feel like a hollow stream. And I've been holding on to hope that you someday find some peace. 'Cause every breath that I've been taking since you left feel like a waste on me. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I never looked the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I can hold you, you'd keep my head from going under. Maybe I just being blinded by the brighter side of who we are before we left, because there might be something in the tide. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I can hold you, you'd keep my head from going under. Your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in. Tired of being so exhausted. Your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in. Tired of being so exhausted. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys for listening.
All right. Thank you so much. Not forgetting, this is IGAT. I Got Talent. DJ nipe ngoma tafadhali. Haya, alafu pia kuna wale ambao mna feel miondoko iko ndani yenu tafadhali. So na ati searching wewe. Haya. Sawa. Alright. Hey, nimechapa miondoko hadi nimesahau. Dominic, Dominic, you're the next on stage. Dominic, yuko wapi? Dominic, yuko wapi? Dominic. Get ready. So, welcome on stage and tell us who you are, what you're doing. Tell to the judges.
Evening. I'm Kevin Dominic. Jina ya usanii naitwa Kevo Shine. Ready to present manze Santi. Emba Secure.
Just a minute as he gets ready to give the Neo.
Sasa. Kevo Shine. Yeah.
BY to the O.
Dr. B on these, ladies and gentlemen.
Totwala chiveso chaya bantu. Pogimano winge totwala chiveso chaya bantu. Pogimano winge totwale vinto chaya bantu. Pogimano winge totwale vinto chaya bantu. Pogimano winge aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo 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 aine kiongozi tinakana kwewe chikuraye kwegamba miaka 5 kwanganya kwaende bungaye kwalala mogo chanda bana boda boda none chipara murarose mogo chaya abataka chintakana nabayiga babura namugo tubana chibesa twale chigado suke mwino ga kyonyora chade bitari ebitishe yumira konye amata mone jirani gotore kitambi tari ubunda omwabo sikaya abantu rose abatanga okore moyo konyo yombinere gakweya totwara chiveso chaya abantu Bogimano winge totwara chiveso chaya abantu Bogimano winge totware vinto chaya abantu Bogimano winge totware vinto chaya abantu Bogimano winge aye konyo yombino Kare moyo aye konyo yombino Kare moyo aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo agusu tete ni moto nente con mwino ni morote. Agota ko ye metizo bono mwenu ngebinto yona birote. Igwa tanta ni moto nente con mwino ni morote. Agota ko ye metizo bono mwenu ngebinto yona birote. Apero ka kemanye mugo solo. Koroto tentino nye solo. Okoligo kumbeka ni megondo anene kero koligo ketoy okwero kakema imo solo koroto tentino nye solo okoligo kumbeka ni megondo anene kero koligo ketoy na totwala chiveso chaya bantu bogimano winge totwala chiveso chaya bantu bogimano winge totwale vinto chaya bantu bogimano winge totwale vinto chaya bantu Bogimano wing aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo aye coño yo mino. Ya Kare moyo aye coño yo mino. Coño yo mino. Aye coño yo mino. Aye coño yo mino. Coño yo mino. Aye coño yo mino. Kare moyo.
All right, thank you for the gloves. Thank you for the gloves. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, next on stage tafadhali, kwa haraka tafadhali. We have Ernest. Ernest, you're the next on stage. Peana track yako pale.
najua ukifika ati number 1 mina pea tu sagodi juu life Johnny Ngori nipushe na mawori vijana wanagan kwa mdomoni magamu wana sakatuti zikiwa na sakatuki so bila do atunanga mafom mapombe na mandai vijana wako hai tusakatuza shukshati kudani manoti ya magunda na makoti koti siezi lipa kodi jubato mini odi kwa porini na 40 kolabo tuna OG najua itajipa mziki inalipa nisakatuki fem nikwanga na KM nilisare za madem tumependa mziki na siwezi kudinai ati stago najua utafika najua utafika siaminie najua utafika watabanja lakini utafika najua utafika najua utafika nilitoka from east toka pata mino bees niko bees inge to the world uliza kina swat uliza wayahudi tipo lakaji lucky B Sparodio mzing Devi adi smash ama fans kama Asha Tishila na Kadasha na roga faster nule tanga disaster disantonio master atudoba imeshika inabaki tu inuke imetoka turiko nitenge tukiko mafans kuzitoka wakadai mini don nitafika na mini nitasikika atija baraka zimeja na steila lanja na sabu nilishika maganji nitafika one time nitasikika wewe
by the naitwa na Santonisto pale hivyo unaweza nifuatilia hapo hivyo.
Watu wana spit lines huko nakwambia. DJ shika tafadhali. Naomba mtu ambaye anaitwa Elisha, you're next on stage. Aliyetoka anaitwa Ernest. Now we are having Elisha Ombaso, you're next on stage. All right, the stage is yours.
Hello, my name is Elisha Ombaso. I do a course in information science in KMP. I'm going to sing country music. So very good to see. I'm always in your smile. I'm mainly up to you. I'm your willing. So let me talk to you. Let me see you smile. Just for a minute. Take time. Always see you smile. Always don't lie. Wait for a moment. Let me talk to you.
All right. All right. Thank you, Elisha. Now, next on stage.
TV uwenso wumugusi nigo bono yakini kindekrene nebo kurengera chikichichi bugu chikini mukikigma nebo kutonyora
Ibilisi mwongo sana kwa kutenda. Binadamu kaumbiwa makosa, ndo maana nakosa utulivu. Kila penzi furaha fitano za kanasa Sio najua, mbona sasa rudisha moyo Shakila urudie nyumbani. Tujenge penzi kwa kira kudiza upani. Hataliwe mkuki, likatopwe nyuta za bahari. Hataliwe mkuki, likatopwe nyuta za bahari. Kibere kinawasha moyo wangu juju. Kungine napowaza roho ya unyatutu. Na kipele kinawasha moyo wangu juju. Kungine napowaza roho ya unyatutu. Ona sasa ni manduliko toka ni mbali. Turudiane kama awali. Ona sasa ni matatani. Usinende rudi nyumbani. Tuliko toka ni mbali. Turudiane kama awali.
All right. Thank you so much. Hiyo ni performance mti yangu, si ndio? Thank you so much. Now we are moving forward swiftly. Now the next performer on stage, Winnie Acheng. Yuko wapi? Hey, Winnie. All right.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Winnie Ochieng, and I have a presentation that's a song called Lilowe. That means the train, sung by Zahara. I'm going to start. Uloli wahi dudula, loli wahi dudula, uloli wahi dudula nangesiza, uloli wahi dudula, uloli wahi dudula, uloli wahi dudula nangesiza. Sule zonyembe sinda kwetu, sule zonyembe sinda kwetu, sule zonyembe sinda kwetu nangesiza. Sule zonyembe sinda kwetu, sule zonyembe sinda kwetu, sule zonyembe sinda kwetu nangesiza. Uloliwe Wendudulaha, uloliwe wahi, uloliwe wahi, dudula, nangesiza. Uloliwe, wendudulaha, uloliwe wahi, uloliwe wahi, dudula, nangesiza. Fesuluhu, enkoznihi, kuhali ngwelezo dua umfunai ukuya kuna atandaza. Ufesuluhu enkoznihi kuhali ngwelezo dua umfunai ukuya kuna atandaza. Sola zonyembe zinda kwetu, sola zonyembe zinda kwetu, sola zonyembe zinda kwetu nangesiza. Sola zonyembe zinda kwetu, sola zonyembe zinda kwetu, sola zonyembe zinda kwetu nangesiza. sinda gwetu nangeziza sole zonyembe sinda gwetu sole zonyembe sinda gwetu sole zonyengwe sinda gwetu nangeziza wafesuluhu enkoznihi kuhalingwelezodwa umufunai ukuyokona atandaza wafesuluhu enkoznihi kuhalingwelezodwa umufunai ukuyokona atandaza. Though with that flu, I hope I tried my best.
Brian Maove. Brian, are you here? We shall perform, right? Oh, okay. Now, next on stage, we have Hilomas. Hilomas, are you here? Next on stage, Hilomas performing his thing. DJ, nipe kitu.
Yo mazee, mimi naitwa Hilomas mazee, mimi ni rapa mgori sana eh? Mimi ni mgori sana. Kwanza mimi ndio nachukua hii naomba mazee. Ama ni aje? Inakuwa aje? DJ hebu cheza na hiyo beat mbio mbio. Yo. Okay. Yo. Bana, iteni wale wako class manze, ambieni sasa legend na rap manze. Okay. Yeah.
Kill the beat.
Party animal chilling with the bitches, I'm a nigga off the floor. Ladies and young men, I don't give a fuck. Dissing with this economy. This is Hilomas, king of rap. So toss, I'm addicted to ladies and that. Wait, DJ Banzisha your beat man, rada. Shut up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Pando, kill the beat.
Party animal chilling with the bitches, I'm a nigga on the floor. Ladies and young gentlemen, I don't give a fuck. Dissing with this economy. This is Hilomas, king of rap. So I'm addicted to ladies and addicted to Roma. Checking in a mula cause I wanna give a boom. Pulling up her legs cause you wanna feel a taste. Bubbling on me cause I've been taking a part down. Break it down slow, I am falling in love. I'm a chain, this kingdom, the place with that. I'm a hero, never take drugs. Ladies like flies and money like road. Nigga free, single boy, I'm a nigga Nicolo. I'm a shia on trust, cause I'm a triple nigga. Yo, baby chopper mula, me mean the buzzing. Police Vanilla motherfucker, MC Don, do the yum, still a kid nigga, yo. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Askika Mr. Man, get a check on a pull up beach on a shower coca, on a put in it for top to a game, I'm a classic ma, I'm a blender water D, Nico Fitty Quen, I'm a nigga, I'm a nigga tech. Mula ni maganji mesama Kura stick on a chair leta ganji kwenye draw. Let's party tukakeshi hadi moro. Nimekam na mashoka mini waya ka origi ed. Sina budi kujibrag mini ordinary ed. Aka glass kwenye meza lafu shika baga ed. Aka mat
Yo anaitwa Hilo Mas. Mkali ama si mkali? Hilo Mas, Hillary Otieno nakwambia naam. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we go next to our performer. Anaitwa Shadow Nonso. Shadow here. Hey.
Playing all the hits that your girlfriend wants to hear.
Dear. It's not that open to looting easy. Shadow Nonso in the building. Yeah. Yo, mimi naitwa Shadow Nonso, pale Instagram Shadow Nonso, hapo IG, YouTube, bali popote ni Shadow Nonso. Mimi ni Afro hip hop artist. Yeah. Nimefanya video kadhaa. So unaweza ingia YouTube manze ucheki mavideo zangu si mbaya, unaweza bambika. Yeah. DJ cheza na hiyo.
Simba Music.
Check, it's your boy Shadow. Yeah. Fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. Form ni fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. Form ni fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. Form ni fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. Speak slow, kama unataka kambonga mo. Don't care utasema nini lo. Cheza na mbogi utapigwa elbow. Sije venye unaweza kuleta form jo. Hapa ni form jo, sorry bro. Fanye vile tulifanya ile siku kwa corridor. Walk slowly slow. Peace and allow my light to fall. Peace and allow my light. Boom, so
From me
fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. From me fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. Wacha ni chote bro, wacha ni shike kibao, niko ready na do, akistoke bro, sweet dance show, kila mtu go. Flow kwe hustle my show, fiti let the door, boom, lazima nifike jo na mamorio kama so. Makanga nye mko dhao, bila adi do, bila adi madhao. Form ni fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun. Form ni fikaikan kama Saddam, Shadow ikam, lega za jam, bile madam, fire na gun.
Dear.
Alright, anaitwa Hillary Nonso. Alright. Now, next on stage. Nizime mic ingine tafadhali. Next on stage is Festus Koech. Festus Koech tafadhali. You are next on stage. And guys, don't you forget that we have Bosongo Hospital right here with us. Nimewambia anything you want, if you want to go and get a doctor consultation, if you want some free condoms for yourselves, if you want to check your NHIF status right now, just go there. Make sure kama unataka kubadilisha pia your NHIF, the hospital, just go to that tent. Iko hapa, wako free and they're not charging. And not forgetting Dizzy TV pia tuko live, wale ambao mnatuwatch pale live. This is Kisii National Polytechnic, IGAT, I Got Talent. Tuko hapa on Saturday, tunajibamba, tunaenjoy maze. It's a good time, we are innovating talent. Now, Festus Koech, you ready? This is your chance. Not forgetting. After this, we are going to have the cooking skills. Wale ambao mlikuwa mnaenda chakula chenu, we are going to be having cooking skills next after music performance. Sawa sawa. Wale ambao walikuwa naandaa chakula. Aya. It's Festus Koech, right?
Oh yeah, nyaje. So I go by many names, but the names I like most is Voldiamandis. Kwa YouTube, tunapata na Voldiamandis. Instagram, Facebook. So I am a rapper, I make music. Yeah. It's Malice. Akara lobo still one more. To the best players, but I score them all. Busy, down and over blow. If you're not people, me leave me alone, you free to go. Like when I was moving slow. See me now, Akara low. Do again, the lows. We are getting home, so difficult, but I never give up. Hey, legendary me. Hey, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me, hey, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me. I'm in my life, see like I know people, because I had on my recipe, somebody me never never see that for I the one my free dog is on his spam and I'm a drunk as like a man and I raise my hand as brothers scared the obstacle follow grass like a flap but I was cross I never lose the other best I ever use salam and money I never snooze for me to let do me never sabah when bend the my low ship me is a go my last now so go chilling my dick down and my finger and I say man when I'm money business and of down when I buy smart as yes my dog I go fast like a horse time goes fast like a horse so I get back with no horse cause I'm a legend. Legendary me, hey, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me, hey, legendary me, legendary me. Yo. Exceptional, my life not white as snow. Feel like as they always know. Growing fast cause I guess more than yes, walking all the leaders are the everything was run out to say you are taking over. To crave a stable breed, what the good make you let me say legendary me, hey, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me, hey, legendary me, legendary me, legendary me. So kwa YouTube utanipata na Voldiamandis, tunisaidia kusubscribe na ngoma zingine zinakuja.
Aye, ngoja kidogo. Umejita nani?
Festus Koech.
Festus Koech. Kuna hapo judges hawakusikia hapo kwa speed ya words kidogo. Maybe without the instrumentals. Utachapa? Haya, piga 1 to 5. Haya, twende kazi. 1 2 3 and go.
I made my life see like any opinion me say to my recipes of bare me never near masjid akro high no the one my video no condition is bam and I'm talking gash like a never raise my hand spato scared tops follow grass like a sapo craba tacos one never lose just at the place I just all in money never call me the need room me but sabah when failed to my losh me so go me last one last go be chilling my ding dam and finger as man meeting about your business at the phone spato yes my do
Since your girlfriend wants to hear.
Wewe hatari nakwambia. Now, hey. Akia nani kitu nimesikia tu ni ameringa.
This is what a real
Hey, sawa nakwambia. Tunaona mambo leo. Now, next on stage, we are going to be having Timothy. Timothy, are you here? Timothy Kipkoech.
Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Timothy Kipkoech. Alright, akiendelea kutayarisha nini yake, Lenny will be having you. If also you have your instrumentals, tafadhali get ready. We are alive on
The DJ who's got that party turned to a crime scene because the ladies have been fighting over it.
Lenny on sober.
Yo, ni ajeni. Mko fiti? Mko bie? Kwa majina najulikana kama Lenny Lee ama Lenny Mosoba. I'm an artist, gospel artist, gospel urban artist. That's my brief introduction. DJ. DJ anzisha sianzangi. Yeah. Lily. Game over. Auntie. Yeah. Ninaka, ninawakisha the light. Ninaka, ninaosha all the lies. I'm your devil, game over. Game over, I'm your devil, game over. Kwa mistari tunavimbada na imani ndani ya roho nina ibada. Tabia Mungu bado mimi ninakanyaga, ndio maana natembea nikisongaga. Uko kwa kawa na mambo iko sawa, kila kitu nasikia sabuni ya sawa. Blessings za God ndio mimi amenigawa na it's so strong. Power za kukanyaga devil na kumstep on juu, za kumwimbia baba na kuinua juu. Mambo ya ugumu zote na kanyaga. Ninaka, ninawakisha the light. Ninaka, ninaosha all the lies. I'm your devil, game over. Game over, your devil, game over. Game over. I love how I am and I love how I look. Napenda the Bible, napenda the book. Napenda biashara kama ni book. Napenda watoto kama ni hook. Japonili kama please don't mistook. Nitakukemea kama bulletin looks. I don't go for the looks but I go for the brains. I go for what I not hard on the text. Taka za shetani zote kwa legs. Akikam kwa text anakula blue ticks. Bamba ni credit na bamba ni glasses. Ninawakisha the light. Ninaosha all the lies. I'm your devil, game over. Game over, I'm your devil, game over. Game over. My blessings are God, ndio maana nina strive. My blessings are God, ndio maana no maana nina fly, that's why ninasema za devil game over. Mimi nina blessing from all over. Come to Christ, I'm make over, all over. Nimekisha onja, niko sembe, nishinda hata soja. God ninaomba nikuke kama vita, nilete kina John Yobra na Anita. Shuka baba na kuita. Ninaka. DJ kata.
Alright. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you so much.
Naweza piga kapela moja.
Nitakupa time yako. Thank you so much, Lenny. Now, next on stage is Festus. Timothy Kipkoech. Hey, kidogo niseme Festus tena.
Agotimo. Agotimo.
Wapi makofi yake? Nimeamua nitakuwa danza wako next. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Now we are done with the musician, presentation ya wanamuziki tushamalizana nayo. Now we are going next straight to ngoja kidogo, kuna hiyo listi ni cooking skills, si kukula, ni cooking skills. Ya kukula iko kando, sawa sawa. Wale wapishi hatari, wale ambao wanajua kupika pale kitchen, we are having you next on stage, so I think all right. Hi. Kali. We are so sorry. Your list ingine ilikuwa imetupotea kidogo. Now, Kali is the last person to present the music section. Kali. Sijui alitoa jina King Kali. Aye. Take it. Tranquilo. Kali tafadhali, ni wewe tunangoja tafadhali. We go to the next tafadhali. Now, not forgetting Bosongo Hospital, they are there. They are giving free services.
Go by the name Khalifa K, all social handles, social platforms only at Khalifa Kalmax.
All right, thank you so much, Kalmax. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now that was our last performance on music. Now we are going straight to the cooking skills. Na wakiendelea kujitayarisha, DJ, nataka tu kamiondoko hivi kidogo, kamiondoko kidogo tu.
DZTV News. Aigano DZTV News. Obwansu Vumugusi. Soa asumutandao ensemo ya YouTube ulikilieta DZTV News. Abo Voigo. Aigano DZTV News. Obwansu Vumugusi. Gori na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao na Voigo onchore ilio yao. Igoiko yenyore. DZTV nigo turine kirenga. Ekio korentera. Emerubuli emerunge. Chinka kichonsi. DZTV. Obwensu Vumugusi. DZTV Obwensu Vumugusi nigo bono yako nikirundekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders Digital TV na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao na Voigo onchore ilio yao igoiko yenyore. DZTV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerungu.
Nasikia uendelesho unapewa nini? Sawa sawa now. Spoken word Kasim, if you're still in the house, spoken words, now it's your time. All right. Introduce yourself. Tell us what you're doing.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum Waislamu wote. Bwana Yesu asifiwe wa Kristo. Na shikamoo wakubwa wangu. Langu jina ni Kasim Mohamed. Wakati niliambiwa kutangazaji hapa nikasema football commentary lies on spoken word. Basi nipo hapa kuwatangazia mpira timu ya Arsenal dhidi ya Manchester United. Assalamu alaikum ulimwengu wa soka. Nilivyokuwa nitakuletea mechi kati na muona Granit Xhaka Thomas United moja bora. Na tizama refari anapuliza kipenga. Katikati wanaanza vijana wa timu ya Arsenal. Pembezoni pale kulia anakuja ni kijana muite Martinelli. Martinelli anacheza na Granit Xhaka. Katikati uwanja unacheze wapi? Pembezoni kulia anatia pale, anakuja Bukayo hatari, anakata Daudi de Gea. Kona. Ataja kuchonga mpira wa kona. Kiatu kadi ya manjano. Kadi ya manjano pale.
Ngumu hata kuliko ile mahindi ya popcorn. Sasa, ladies and gentlemen, what we DJ, nipunguzie volume kidogo. Yeah, what we're having here is food presentation. Food presentation. Yeah. Wali wa taarabu. Aya, wape wimbo wa taarabu tafadhali wakikaribia. Wape. As they continue. Wakiendelea kushokeza drama, tafadhali kuwa ready. Naona pale kuna viazi karai, kuna wali wa taarabu, kuna pilau, ati wewe uko njaa. Nasikia kiazi kimoja ni 5 shilling. Alright, drama tafadhali siwe ready.
Chungu, we take
ilete miondoko ya kitaarabu mti yangu. Thank you sir. Yes? Atuwafanya nini?
Hamjambo. Wazima. Mbona mtaki tucheze? Mna shida gani? Alikuwa tukatuambia wageni wetu tutoka hapa tutaletea pilau.
We mti yangu. All right, now I just want to give this thanks to our matron that is patron, to our patron of IGAT to say something. All right.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for taking your time to sit here. Like I said earlier, by the fact that you attended this function, you are already our member of talent. We welcome you. You showcase your talent. I want to take this opportunity to recognize our guests and our partner in this event. I want to recognize the presence of Honorable Edna Kangwana. After I talk, she will come and give us a motivational speech. I also want to recognize the presence of Mr. Lamek Machuki from the Ministry of Lands, Nyamira County. I also want to recognize Mr. Benjamin Anyona, Commissioner, National Government, Westlands, Nairobi. I also want to recognize Mr. John Kebati. Hello. Hello? Yes, I also want, I'm a lecturer, so I always talk. I'll not stop talking now because of that. I also want to recognize the presence of Mr. John Kebati from Dizzy TV. They are streaming our event live. I'm requesting you to go to their Facebook page and YouTube page and kindly like and see what our students are doing. I also want to recognize our able directors, adjudicators, judges, who also sits as the director, Ministry of Culture, Kisii County, Nyambane Obino. I also want to recognize the organizing secretary, drama and film, Kisii County, Mr. George Inega. I also want to take this opportunity to recognize the program director, Jubilant Organization, Cyprian.
I want to appreciate the organizers of this event. Edna Kangwana is a mother of 5. That means that Edna is not a youth. I am here today because I believe in youth power, and I believe that our generation, the future generation, is going to be fueled by people like you. And I'm here standing by what Roosevelt said many years, that we cannot prepare the future for the youth, but we have to prepare the youth to be able to handle the future. And I believe that's why you are here. I want to again tell you that you're very lucky, the youth of today. I wish I could happy and health where you are today. Because if you look at the world, if you look at the global trends, everyone is talking about youth power. And if you come youth power, and if you come closer to Kenya, listen, I'm happy that as the government is working on policies that are way bigger, according to our eyes, that right here in the grassroots, in one of the 47 counties, we are talking about how to monetize our talent and how to grow using our talent, not to believe in white-collar jobs. So I was told to just come and encourage you, the youth, to just remind you that if you are a youth who is seated there, one thing by virtue that you are in National Polytechnic, you are already very lucky. You have to know that as a youth, You have the power to conquer the world. You have the power to be anything that you want to be. Why? You have the energy. Number 2, you're very mobile. If we tell you to walk from here to wherever you want, I know you can manage it. You have the energy. You have the mobility power. You have the power of technology. When I grew up, we were never in social media the way you are. It means that your talent, you can actually put it out there and the world will see it. Not only just Kisii or Kenya, the world can see it. You easily network. I've seen a number of you who have just come here and I know people are going to follow your pages, and that is the network we are talking about. Because someone was saying, sometimes your network, it's not about the money you have in the bank. It's about who do you know around you and around the world that can scale your talent to the next level. So I put down some points that I want to share with you. Point number 1, I want to tell you to find your talent. I am very happy the girls who served us today, they called it Viazi Karai, I don't know. I thought they're doing catering or something. Then one said, I'm doing procurement. Procurement and cooking, they don't relate, but I can tell you, the procurement girl can get money through the talent of cooking. Imagine you're a procurement officer in Kisii National Polytechnic. Then you can cook mandas and come and sell to your other colleagues, and that is you making money. So first, you have to know the talent you have. The talent you have is not the talent your friend has. You have to go deeper and find where you feel good and so comfortable. I can tell you even today, whoever was doing our MC today, that's a talent. That you can be able to organize a meeting and be able to moderate through different platforms. Number 2, I want to tell you that you can monetize your talent. You can monetize your talent. For those who are in social media, you've seen how many know Reto? The one who was cheering. The men in the house, let me see your hands. The boys, you're not the boys, you're men. The men in the house. Do you know Reto of Citizen? You recently saw him coming up with a card, a late card, that if you call me to MC in your event, you're going to pay me this for these hours, isn't it? It means you can monetize your talent. So work on your talent so much, make it perfect. By the time you are telling people, oh, I'm coming to be an MC, I'm coming to sing, you have to pay me, people will pay because of what they know you are going to give. Number 2, build on your brand. Okay? I talked about you being in a good space of social media, but what are you putting in your social media? Are you putting us a lot of selfies? Oh, today I'm here, look the way I'm looking. The girls in the house, what are you putting in your social media? Are you selling your talent? Are you telling your brand? Are you telling what you have done new and you want people to know? I mean, I cannot share you've taken a selfie, I cannot share it, but if you put content there, it's a good song, I'll surely share it and I'll tell people to check out your page. Number 3, I want to talk about your network. I talked about your network, but what are your network? Who are you surrounding yourself with? When you meet people, when you meet a big man, if Ababu Namwamba was to come here, what are you going to tell Ababu Namwamba? Ababu, I want a selfie with you? Or you just give Ababu Namwamba your business card and tell Ababu, you know I can perform in an event where the president is there. Work on your network, and networks don't come to your home. You have to go out, like attending a platform like this one. Make sure you take contacts of people that you think align to your talent and align to what you are doing. And sometimes say, it's the director for culture who is here, Obino Nyambane. Another day call and say, I'm coming to your office for a courtesy call. I mean, that's how you build on your network. Make them work for you. Another point I wanted to say is learn to invest in developing your technical skills. If you feel that you're a good lighter, if you feel that you can do film, if you feel that you can be a good MC, I mean, it doesn't cost you anything by paying some money to go to an institution that is giving you a space for you to have your skills. Sometimes they say a childhood has to be introduced. You have to go to the people. Excuse me, the MC, you have to help me now. They're not listening because soda has come.
All right, tafadhali.
And I want this message to go home.
Please, tafadhali, tumpe time yake tafadhali. Sawa sawa. Alright. Those are distributing the sodas, tafadhali tuwape time yake. Alright, continue, please.
So, at the point I'm talking about is intentional personal development of your skills. If you feel you are good in photography, if you feel you are good in film, if you feel you are good in singing, please pay some money. Attend a technical institution that is giving the skill. I know Kenya Kisii Poly is doing that, but I know there are tutorials even in YouTube. Sometimes you have to maybe subscribe and do that. Be intentional about that. I know that COVID, there is anything COVID taught us is that we can learn light from our house. Sometimes it's about paying registration for a Zoom meeting and something like that, and you get up your skills. I told you, for you to monetize your skill, you have to be very good at what you are doing. The other point I want to talk about in terms of skills. Are we together? Are we together? Kisii Polytechnic, can I see your hand up kindly?
Hello.
I just want an assurance we're together. I'm not speaking to myself.
Hello. Tunamsikiza tafadhali. Aya.
Another point is you need to find yourself a mentor. Okay? In an area that you want, if you want to be an MC and you saw a good MC here, just go and ask that person, can you mentor me? I mean, learn the best practices from those people who are ahead of you. You can also get a coach. Coaching services, sometimes you pay for them. And there's so many. It's a new concept in Kenya, but you can get a coach even in public speaking. And number 3, under mentorship coaching, there is also something called sponsorship. Get yourself a sponsor. Women in the house, I'm not talking about the sponsor that Kenya is known for. I'm talking about a person who will mention your name in a table you are not seated. Are we together? Maybe they are looking for a person very good in IT, and there is someone maybe in your department. Maybe it's your lecturer who knows that you are very good. He'll just say, Kevin or Frida can be able to do this job very well. And that goes back to what I told you about being very intentional about your networking. What is it that the people around you know you to be good at? If they know you are good, they intentionally put your name in a table, you are not seated. They'll call and tell you, send you a CV, there is a job opportunity here, and those are what I'm calling the sponsors for this purpose. Almost I'm coming to an end because I think we are tired, is that fear to make that one step, but make that step anyway. Those people who fear are cowards, and if they're asked to say what they have done, you'll find they have done anything. But the warriors and the giants of today, and the heroes and the heroines we are working to build for tomorrow, are the ones who fear. You know, even coming to the stage here to perform, it's not easy. For those who registered to come and perform, they had to stumble over their fear. They came here and they performed. Like there is a girl who performed very nicely. The girl who was doing a rendition of a song. I went to see her because it so happens that she was the only girl, apart from the cooking team, who performed here. She the only girl who did that. Yeah, you fear, but you stumble on your fear and you do it. I mean, you will make the mistake, but it's okay to make mistakes, because from mistakes, you get the biggest lessons of your life rather than from the successes. So anytime you fear on putting something on social media that you're working on, just fear, but do it. I'm telling you, you cannot have everyone just clapping for you, but I'm telling you, you'll have 1 or 2 people who will walk the journey with you. And every day will be a learning lesson on your skill development. You will continue learning, you'll continue getting a mentor, a sponsor, and a coach, and in no time you are going to be very perfect in the talents that God gave you. I want to finish by telling you, if there is anything you can do wrong to yourself as a person, is never working on your talents. I mean, for the Christians in the house, you know, it's actually biblical that God gave us talents, and when you don't use them, He can actually take them away and give to another person. Make use of your talent. We are looking for you. I am here standing and offering you my very strong shoulders so that you can stand on I know your parents who send you here, they have given you their shoulders to stand on, your teachers. Stand on them and make the future that we are looking forward to see. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the encouraging speech to our youth. Next, we want a drama team. Where is the drama team? Drama.
Yes, now we are having the drama. Mtu yangu. Hawa ni waheshimiwa hawa. One, two, one, two, one, two. Hey. Hey. Watu yangu, mnajua ni squad gani? This is the only group that has performed for the president, watu yangu. Don't joke with this squad. Hawa ni watu hatari. Hawa ni watu hatari. Wewe. Na unashangaa next week wanaenda kufanya nini? Ngoja kidogo. Hawa ni waheshimiwa, si ndio? Hawa ni waheshimiwa, si ndio? Sawa. Now what you're going to do, tafadhali DJ, make sure kamba ziko sawa, kila kitu iko sawa. Alafu wao wenye tunakuja mbele, tafadhali, because of the streaming and stuff. Kidogo tu. Haijawa. Haya. Sawa sawa. Come.
emerunge chinka kichonsi DZTV obwensu bwomugusi DZTV obwensu bwomugusi nigo bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo ikoye nyore DZTV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerunge chinka kichonsi DZTV obwensu bwomugusi DZTV obwensu bwomugusi nigo bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya
kobarengera ekunda gitega sabetie gari omuntu ndogo tiwesagara obuko kokora masagara gatebye kunda gitaibe ine timwaja tuseire ekuni gachaka chindogo yoka kango kobaga panzo gotoka aikata kwati kyambo ekuni tombere story tukuma keigo mokaya katara mukari gatira presa gatwara ekuni kampuira yagetari ungo yeikaro hotel yense yere tingoru será muito
Usha alafu unasua tamu. Si unaelewa? Ati unaweka chini.
Good evening. Okay, my name is Brian. Currently, I'm the Mr. Culture KNP. I'm the CEO Mr. Culture KNP Foundation that deals with the charity works. And at the moment, I'm the chairperson of the IGAT Club. And I want to take this opportunity to welcome and give some guests a chance to have a word and to the club and to the students at large about the Talent Innovation Day. So I want to recognize the presence of the Minister of Lands, Nyamira, Mr. Lamek. Kindly come have a word for us. Let's have a clap for the Minister of Lands, Nyamira.
Thank you very much. My name is Lamek, and I'm the Director of Physical and Land Use Planning in Nyamira County, not the CEC, for correction purposes. About 18 years ago, I never thought I'd be before a talented group like this, because I think my passion was in football, And of course, when I look at the program, I realize you have a number of things. And what was more captivating is the idea of looking at skills, even when it comes to landscaping, architectural, and indeed, in practice, I realized that the people who work with passion do much better than those who are pushed. You'll find out here artists who have never been in anyone's class. So when I was coming here on invitation, and I really appreciate this management and the group that gave us this chance. I know you guys are tired, that's for sure. When I was your age, of course, I wish nobody would speak, so that I would go have my time. But I think this is the best time I'm having with you, and having an opportunity, of course, to say one word. I want to say the following. One, that where you are today and your commitment now will determine what you become tomorrow. It is because I remember when I got my first internship a couple of years back. We were 12 of us with the same skills from the University of Nairobi, competing for only 4 positions. And what we were competing for, it was just internship, and of course some small snippet. And then we were told you all qualify, but we will take only 4, because that is the provision we have. And then at that time, I thought it would be very unfortunate for others to be sent back. So I asked the management if they could take all of us and they reduce the working time, so that instead of engaging us for 6 months, they engage us for lesser months so that all of us get experience. And can I tell you something? All of us were taken. Why am I saying this? You may be all doing the same thing, music, different cadre, but don't even think about competition among yourselves. Let every person get a platform. Then ultimately, that who fits best, share them. Sawa sawa.